What is up, everybody? I am getting ready to start a coaching call, and I wanted to invite you guys. Today is the last day to sign up for Do More in Q4. That's tomorrow. And the doors close tonight, and this is with Danny On Demand. And we just finished kind of reviewing everything that we were going to talk about tomorrow. I'm out of breath because you came up the stairs with me. And I had this big aha moment that I wanted to share with you. Q4, what we're doing in Q4, it's more than the next 3 months. What we're doing on this masterclass, if you come to this masterclass, you're going to get more tools and resources to help you in 2024. And we're going to talk about like book creation, time-saving hacks, and we're going to talk about like proper goal setting, and I'm going to share some brand new ad strategies that I've been developing. But more importantly, we're going to make sure that you have a really clear understanding about how to be successful on Amazon KDP, and that you have the path set before you on what you need to do to be successful. So I wanted to personally invite you to level up your book income stream by attending this masterclass tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The URL is Jenny Hansen, www.jennyhansenlane.com/Q4. And I teamed up with Danny. You guys know this is our third class together. He has a lot of really great tips, and I really love working with him because he understands the foundations. And when you understand the foundations, it really allows you to do a lot of different things. And that is one reason that I have been successful running ads, because my foundation is built on a rock, right? If you are just copying other people online, I would say your foundation is built on sand, because you want to understand why you're creating something. So I'm personally inviting you to come to this masterclass, and you have lifetime access to it. And that means you get the replays if you can't come tomorrow live. If you can come tomorrow live, you get to ask questions on the call and be present of like part of the community and synergy. And that is always really the best part about all of you guys. We all have this goal to have more time and relationship freedom, right? And so I don't want to waste your time. I just want you to know that you're invited to this, and we don't sell the replay usually. Very rarely do we open the doors after they're shut. It's probably only to people that have previously bought stuff. And you might be asking, like, why do I have to pay for this information? Well, you can go through my YouTube channel that has over 500 videos. Okay? And Danny has a lot of videos too. And you will get results if you implement those things. This is just going deeper, and we want to be able to dedicate our time to do that. So you're invited to invest in your book income stream and join us. This is Thursday, September 7th, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Will be like an hour, but we're not going to hang up immediately because people have questions, and I love coaching. It's my favorite thing. So drop any questions that you have in the comments, and we will see you guys mañana.